Hey everybody, in this video we're going to look at how you can use the Google Chrome browser to make a QR code, and it's super simple. So to show you this, I went to gimkit.com and I created an assignment, and so I want to make this assignment into a QR code so students can just aim their phone at it and open it up. So let's see if this works. So here's the link that I would send to my students. So I'm going to copy that link and I'll open it in a new tab. Basically go to the URL that you want to turn into a QR code. And then once you're in the right place, all you got to do is click up here in the URL box. And then over here on the right, you'll see that this option comes up. So you're going to click Create QR Code. And then you can download the QR code and put it, print it off or send it to the students or whatever. Just to show you that it works, I'm going to go ahead and use my camera here so you can see that it works. So if you have an iPhone, you can just point your camera at it and it will give you the option to open it in Safari. So I'm going to click that. So it should take me to the screen that you can see on the computer right now. Let's take a look and see if it worked. Okay, you can see it's joining the assignment, so I went right there. So super easy way to make a QR code. Don't have to go to some special website. You can just download it, print it off, send it to your students, and you're good to go. Make sure that you're running the most current version of Google Chrome. To do that, if you're not sure, stick around. Let's look at how you can do that really quick. Click on the three little dots up here in the corner and go into your settings. And then you're going to go to About Chrome. And when you go over here to About Chrome, it tells you if your Chrome is up to date or not. And if it's not updated, restart your browser and the options should be there. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Hasta luego.